Hello everyone. Today we are going to make one of the most popular and my favorite Italian risotto rice ball, which is also called arancini funghi. To start with, I am using Arborio rice, cooked fully with butter, salt and pepper only. Then, secondly, I am adding mushroom which I sauteed earlier as we are going to make arancini funghi. Secondly, I am adding blanched green peas as well. And together with that I'm adding also grated Parmesan cheese, then mixing all together nicely. This is actually a bulk production, however, I have given a portion recipe on my bio as well. Now I am using a smoked mozzarella cheese stuffing inside to give that stringy, cheesy texture to it by cutting into little cubes and stuffing inside. Next, you can see I am portioning arancini about 20 grams each and stuffing inside with smoked mozzarella cheese. Third, let's make batter to coat crumbs outside arancini. For batter, I am using a portion-wise quantity. For instance, 200 grams of flour, pinch of black pepper powder, 1 egg whole, and 1 ladle of vegetable stock. After you add everything inside in a mixing bowl, mix vigorously so that it will bind and become a creamy texture to it. Now I am adding our ready arancini balls into the batter and coating all the sides. After that, coating with the breadcrumbs, which is apparently looks like this. Here I am using a homemade breadcrumb. You can also use panko, a Japanese breadcrumb, for instance. Then when it's ready, we're gonna deep fry it in a temperature of 170 degree for 3 to 4 minutes just to bring a golden brown in color. Voila! Our delicious recipe of arancini funghi, which is arancini with mushroom, is ready to serve. Thank you everyone for watching this beautiful recipe, and yes, all my dear students, culinary enthusiasts, foodies, food lovers and well-wishers, if you want to see such recipes and such tutorials, please do support me by subscribing my YouTube channel, and yes, follow me on my Instagram as well and also on my YouTube channel. So see you next week with another beautiful recipe. Till then, this is me, Chef Amir, signing out from my channel. Take care, bye bye, ciao.